Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo! I need to have a hairstyle.
Okay.
It's not good.
Alright.
Is it alright?
Yes, fine.
I haven't been to the hairdresser.
Okay. And again.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas. Don't tickle her.
I didn't. Hey, no hands.
I was waiting for it. I was...
Or did you just turn Honestly, you too.
That was anticipation.
Yeah, not actual tickling. So there we go. Number 9.
Number 9. Now we need to do something about their perforations.
Yeah, the box is not good.
We're going to tell them this, are we?
I mean, do we care that much?
Look untidy. Oh, Bobby's
Sheedham dry gin?
Where did these
Any of you guys of that? Let us know. Okay, so number 9.
Right.
I've seen it because it was the opposite of number 6.
I think this is such a lovely present. I'm so
Yes.
impressed.
Yeah.
I need to have a feel then, do I?
Yeah, go on then. You're quite good at this feeling business.
I think it's another applique type thing, but it's only a very thin one. No idea.
Very well sellotaped. Again. Oh, I can't get in.
Poor Sean, I'm bugging her for my is it overlocker or what is it I'm bugging you about?
Overlocker.
Overlocker, the plate for the new overlocker, because I've got this lovely material from the quilt show.
It's another pineapple.
Right.
I said it was a...
You did, and it is.
Yeah, it's a
This
big pineapple.
This one doesn't have a face.
Right, number 9.
You move it in.
Up there.
Not there.
Hang on. Sorry, I didn't press record.
Ooh, ooh.
It's going. Ooh. Looks like there's an observatory window.
Oh.
Oh, it looks like an office.
Oh, lots of names.
No, lots of names.
Lots of names.
Well, there's a whole bunch of chairs
Uh-huh.
in a mess.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right.
we've got to organise them, have we?
So we have a tidy up to calm our nerves.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you will need riddle cards. Yes. A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1 and H1. Benno. Who's after Benno?
Yannick and Rudy. Oh, their initials I've got to combine together somehow
Yep.
to...
There's Rudy.
Oh, okay. That was very fiddly.
Mm.
There we are. Cracked it.
Just about, yeah.
Sleuths that we are.
Absolutely.
Are you a sleuth?
We sleuthed hard today.
Yeah.
We sleuthed hard.
Hurrah.
Do we need a...
Oh.
No.
No?
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 Yes.
Yes.
Smile in the camera.
But I never... Is that it?
Yeah,
Nothing?
that will do.
Yep.
That will do. Thank you. A much later start to the day again, but never mind. I have nothing planned this evening. Oh no, I do have something planned this evening. It's the last ever Eras Tour concert tonight, and I am going to watch one of the grainy live streams, unless Taylor is live streaming it herself, which is something that could possibly happen. So I will be, it doesn't start till like 3:45 in the morning and it finishes at about 7, so I'm gonna have a late start tomorrow as well, but I can go to bed early tonight. It is really cold down here. It's currently 15 degrees and so I've got the heater on, but I'm wrapping myself up as warm as I can. But I have got my 9199 on and my 7289 in the chocolatey brown, which I'm actually finding is really kind of useful in my wardrobe, which is kind of nice. So I have got the hangouts scheduled today for 5 o'clock for the Patreon and members, and then 6 o'clock for everybody. So that's all scheduled and ready to go, and I'm hoping that I can get these shirts done. I can definitely get one done, but I'm hoping I can at least make a start on the second one, because yeah, it would be nice to get those done, and then all the tops are done, and so I've got a jacket and 3 dresses left cut out. Oh, and a dragon. I can't forget the dragon. And I am going to do a dragon. Can I make a dragon in a day? Because the answer is definitely yes, and then I will be one step closer to my zero waste project being finished. All I'd have left then is a dress, which I can also get done in a day because I've done that before too. Anyway, I'm doing that thing where I plan a million hours in advance in one day, and then funnily enough, there's only 24 hours in one day, and it doesn't quite work out the way I envision it will in my head. So I'm going to get all of the pieces that I sewed yesterday, I think you can just about see them there. I'm going to get those all ironed and pressed so that I can sew the next batch of seams together. And I've got one facing and one collar piece to sew together for the rose print fabric, so I'm going to get those cut out. Not sew together, cut out. Then hang out with the peeps, well, fingers crossed, doing some sewing, having warmed up a little bit. Mum and Dad, Mum's had an incredibly busy day. She has made sourdough fresh from the oven. Does that mean I can now cut that one and make toast? Oh, it's still warm, but it's not fresh out of the oven. Like that one's just literally come out of the oven. Can I destroy your masterpiece?
Yes, that's what they're for.
She has made the icing for the cake for Dad's birthday tomorrow. She has also made cupcakes for the WI on Tuesday. She's generally been very, very busy and has sat down for 5 minutes and the cats immediately crawled into her lap. So they're going to come and do calendars in a little bit, which will be lovely. Anyway, less waffle, more doing, then things will get done, theoretically. I mean, not theoretically, like, I'm gonna shut up and just sew, yes. I have just finished the 2 hangouts with the Patreon peeps and the main channel one, and it was really fun. I got quite a lot of little jobs done, but I definitely didn't finish a shirt. And I have to say, I'm gonna call it a night now. My lack of sleep is catching up with me, which does not bode well for this evening, because I think I said earlier I really want to stay up and watch the last night of the Eras tour. Yeah. We shall see how that goes, but I'm on a really good place with the shirt. It is literally just construction now. All the fiddly bits are put together, so it's literally shoulder seams, put in collar, attach facing, sew up, back seam, close armholes, close side seams, buttons and buttonholes. So, you know, there's still a lot to do, but none of it's particularly fiddly, which is awesome. And I'm just loving how it's turning out. It looks so cool. Like, I'm a little bit annoyed that I've got a repeat here, but I really wanted to have that bit on display, and there will be a collar coming down, so hopefully it's not too kind of like distracting that it looks like the print's off. Maybe I should have tried to pattern match, but I didn't have loads of this fabric to be really properly fussy cutting, especially as I was trying to conserve some to send out for pocket linings for a friend. So yeah, it'll be fine. And again, it's on the back of the shirt, nobody's really going to be paying attention. And also the bottom of the collar says, I believe my cat's an I think my cat's an extraterrestrial. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully it will be fine. And like I say, it's on the back, I'm never going to notice. I put on the cardigan that you guys saw in the background the other day, that one that Mum's just finished for me. So I just looked this up. It's the Daria sleeves from Ravish, and then the Hearten cardigan from Flutter. It's a really me kind of a cardigan. I really like it, and these are great because they go over all the really big sleeves that I've been making at the moment. So yeah, very pleased with that. Thank you very much, Mum, it's very much appreciated. But yeah, I thought I would quickly come on and say goodnight to you guys. So it's been a really short Vlogmas today. We do have a kitten update for you. They were very purry and friendly earlier, which is always so cute. They haven't had any interaction with Chi today because I got up really early and sorted out everybody's breakfast and litter trays and stuff like that, and then went back to bed and promptly fell asleep because I didn't get any sleep during the actual night. So yeah, there was no kitten interaction between Chi and Max and Izzy, but we're going to work on that possibly this evening, possibly tomorrow. We shall see how it goes. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's Vlogmas, and I'll see you all tomorrow for more of the same, with fingers crossed some finished shirts and possibly even some makeup on for some recording because I have to get that done. So I will see you all then. Bye.